Guys, Damo down at Unity. Got a Boston Lodge to show you today. Haven't been on here for a while, so I do apologise. Look at the outlook. Look at this. We're right next to the lake.
That's stunning, isn't it?
If you've got a good cast, you could cast from here, have a bacon sandwich and a cup of tea, and you're on it.
Does this come with the decking?
Right, the decking, huge decking, massive. It's all glass. It's not quite finished yet. We've still got to finish off the steps, but it'll be done by the weekend.
Boston, yeah?
Boston Lodge 2-bed, 2025 model.
Made by Willoughby?
Made by Willoughby. Willoughby Boston Lodge.
Can they part exchange a tow or static?
They can part exchange a static caravan, a touring caravan. Any questions, give us a call. Telephone numbers 07976 827734. Any questions, anything at all, call or text. Come and have a look inside.
189, yeah?
189.
And you take a tour on this or static version?
Yeah. Space this gives you, excuse me jacket. But look how much space this gives you. The dining room is huge.
What about all the stuff that's in here already?
With regards to the sofas and the tables and chairs.
Yeah,
and
sorry
stuff
about
like
that phone.
Yeah, it comes. What you see in here is what you get, except for these little trinket bits.
You can have them, can they?
Yeah, listen, they're yours. So
I'm happy to kit it out like this because it's gorgeous, mate.
It's absolutely beautiful.
I love it. It's got dishwashing this one, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. This kitchen's massive as well.
It's big, isn't it?
Nice little
Dishwasher, extractor fan.
You've got the
microwave.
combination microwave oven, and then you've got the grill, the oven, and the.
What's that beeping?
Oh, that's the smoke alarm. You've got to pull a little tab out for the electric bits to.
We need to get a thing that will do that for them. So this is up. This has got a bathroom, isn't it?
It's got a bath. It's even got somewhere to sit down, put your shoes. Big cupboard there, boiler cupboard, but it's big enough. You can get hoovers in there. Because you don't normally get that sort of space, but this is a lodge. This is huge.
Look at the space in this, guys.
40 foot by 20 foot. This one.
Is it really?
Huge.
Get a barbecue up there, table and chairs on the decking.
Yeah, yeah.
Wake up to that every day, mate. Get a bit of fishing done.
So bath, yeah.
Gold fishing, everything.
Bath with a shower over it.
Gorgeous, that is.
Yeah. That beeping noise is doing me nothing a little bit.
We'll have to get the ladder and get that sorted.
King size bed. King size bed is huge.
Double glazed central residential spec, is
Residential spec on this one, yeah.
Sorry about the beeping. I need to pull a cord.
So much room in there. You've got a little vanity unit for Mrs. to do the wall paint and makeup.
What's in there then? What's in here?
Right, this has got ensuite shower room.
Oh, so it's got two toilets.
Two toilets.
Two toilets, and you've got your own private
And a
shower.
bath.
Hey, like that. I did, you?
Not your glasses there, are
No, man. You can have them.
they? Come through and have a look at the twin room.
Twin room.
Twin rooms, they've got the big 3-foot beds.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Loads of space in this
God,
one.
you've got a big TV on the wall there as well, look. Oh, there's a TV point already.
TV point already
And
on
a
the
plug.
walls. That's in every room.
Is it?
And it's in both bedrooms and the lounge.
How do they contact you if they want information?
Give us a bell on my telephone, 07976 827734. Any questions, give us a shout.
So Damo's...
We'll take them all in part exchange, the caravans.
Have you got any vans for sale as well, if this is too much?
Yes, yeah, we've got Willoughby
Let's have a look
Expedition
outside.
this weekend.
Oh, it starts this weekend.
Willoughby Expedition this weekend.
Let's show them the view. You got, how many cars could you park? 2?
I reckon you get 3 on there.
Huge, isn't it?
Yeah, I reckon you get 3 on there.
There's a bit of mess there because they're just finishing the decking, guys. Yeah?
Yeah, you get 3 on there.
Look at that, guys. This is, we are limited now on this park for how many pitches we've got left. I don't think we've got more than 2 or 3.
No.
We sold 10 vans last week, didn't we?
We are, yeah. We're struggling with the pitches, so don't hang about. If you want to be down at Unity Beach, give us a shout.
Hey guys, keep in touch, yeah? See you later.
See you later.